Avenue. Using the attendance register or time tracker. Please note, in some newer courses, the attendance register is called the time tracker. The attendance register is a space for teachers and students to keep an attendance record of their online hours. For the instructor, the attendance register presents a list of all the students in the course. For each student, only their own attendance is displayed. The attendance register captures all attendance in a course, even before it was added to that course. Setting up the attendance register in a course. Please note, only course editors, users with the teacher role, can add or modify activities. To begin, make sure that editing mode is turned on in the course. Then, hover your cursor over the dotted line between two activities. The Add an Activity or Resource button, plus icon, appears. Click on this icon. The Add an Activity or Resource pop-up appears. Select Attendance Register. The Adding a New Attendance Register screen appears. First, type a name and a description in the General section. Next, the attendance tracking mode has three options. Choose the best attendance tracking mode for your class. This course only? The learner's attendance will be monitored only in this course. All courses in the same category. The learner's attendance will be monitored in courses within the current course's category. Set the online session timeout to the appropriate number of minutes for the online session. Use the drop-down menu to select 5 minutes. Next, in the offline work sessions, if Enable Offline Sessions is checked, learners can report attendance for work done offline. Note that this is an optional setting. If the Enable Offline Sessions setting is checked, the Days Back drop-down will allow learners to add offline attendance for up to 1 year in the past. It is important for the instructors to set this to an appropriate value. Next, checking users' comments allows users to add comments to offline sessions. Checking mandatory comments ensures that comments are added to the session attendance field. Checking Specify Course in Offline Sessions is useful only if the attendance tracking mode is set to multiple courses. Checking the Mandatory Course Selection ensures that the course name or code is added to the session attendance field. When all the settings are in place, click on the Save and Return to Course button. Viewing or taking or recording attendance in a course. First, on the course homepage, click on the Attendance Register link. The class attendance list appears. Click on a student's name to view their attendance data. The first table shows the dates and times of site activity. The second table lists the start and end times for each session. To print a paper copy of a student's attendance report, click on the Show Printable Version button. Then print using your browser's function. You can click on the Back to Normal Version button to return to the normal version. To return to the class attendance list, click on the Back to Tracked Users List button.